So first I'm going to start by prepping my face with the MAC Fix Plus spray. And while that's setting into my face, I'm going to go ahead and start by filling in my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Medium Brown. So since my eyebrows are pretty full, I'm just going to outline them a little and give them more shape. And then I'm just going to brush it out. Next, I'm going to clean out my eyebrow with a little bit of concealer under my eyebrow. I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors concealer brush. And that's just going to help define the eyebrow. And then I'll go in with my beauty sponge and blend it out some more. Okay, so now that I have my eyebrows done, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Maybelline foundation. So next I'm going to go in with a Sephora color corrector in the shade Melon, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes to cancel out my dark circles. Next I'm going to go in with this LA Girl in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm going to contour my cheekbones and my forehead. I'm going to blend that out with another damp beauty blender. Next, I'm going to go in with the Sephora concealer in the shade TATIN. Next, I'm going to get my beauty blender again and blend it back all out. Next, I'm going to set my under eyes with my Laura Mercier setting powder. And I'm just going to make sure that I don't have any lines under my eyes. I'm gonna set right here by my mouth because when I smile or just any time, like, I will get a crease right here. So I'm gonna set it so I don't get any creasing later on. And then what's left of the powder, I'm just gonna set around my mouth as well. I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones with the shade Caramel. It's from the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a single pan, it's refillable. I found this at TJ Maxx for $3.99. My Morphe R13 and just bronze up the side of my... Wow. My Morphe and grab some translucent setting powder, and I'm just gonna carve this out. So I'm gonna go in with my HOOLA bronzer and just bronze up my nose. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced eyeshadow Insurance, and I'm just going to prime my eyes. In case I have eyeshadow fallout, it won't ruin under my eyes. I'm going to go in with my MAC Custom eyeshadow palette. For my crease, I'm going to go in with the color Concrete. So next I'm going to go in with a Maybelline black eyeliner, and I'm just going to put this all over my lid so when I apply the blue it'll pop. Next I'm going to go in with this really pretty blue right here. Okay, so I'm just going to go back in with a clean fluffy brush, and I'm just going to grab some more of that gray color and just blend it out. I'm going to go in with my JACLYN Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to grab this shade right here, the black color, and I'm just going to put a little bit on the outside V. Next, I'm going to go ahead and dust away the setting powder that is under my eye. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade that's in my crease and just shade in the bottom line, just about halfway. With my Amrezi highlighter, I'm going to highlight. Go in with my Tarte blush. I'm just going to put a little bit on. And it's in the shade Party. Thank you so much for watching me create this bold blue eye makeup tutorial. If you would like to see me post more makeup tutorials, then please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you can know the next time I post. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram and I'll see you in our next video. Goodbye!